Hello everyone, and welcome to the video on the modern diet plan. This video is going to expose the brutal truth of what the modern diet plan really is, why we think we have to go on a diet to lose weight, and why I'm here to tell you that you do not need to go on any diet plan in order to lose weight or become healthy. I'm going to start this video off with a simple concept, and this concept is our ancestors did not need diet plans. They didn't need a gym membership. So why do we? What's changed in the past 100 years or so that has required us to go on some sort of a diet plan to lose weight? This video series exposes many of the aspects that have changed the types of foods that we have access to today and how they differ from the foods that we've had in the past. Those are big pieces of why we need to go on diet plans today, why it is that we have become unhealthy and overweight. So let me define what the modern diet plan really is. The modern diet plan is someone else's idea of what you should eat or what you should do in order to achieve the surface level goal of losing weight. Having said that, the surface level goal of losing weight actually loses sight of the big picture. And that, of course, is your overall optimum health. Because as I've mentioned before, optimum health drives weight loss. Weight loss does not drive optimum health, as it is implied diet plans typically do. Diet plans are a quick fix, and we have been sold the idea of a quick fix by our society. And quick fixes are profitable. They drive revenue. It means that you can purchase your quick fix. Diet plans allow us to outsource our health to professionals or diet plans or even pharmaceutical drugs, even surgeries, to achieve this quick fix goal. Diet plans are also socially acceptable. As a matter of fact, they're also even socially expected that if we need to lose weight or get healthy, that we're supposed to go on a diet plan. That is the only answer that we have in our modern times to lose weight and get healthy. Further, diet plans separate us from the knowledge that we need to guide our own decision making and feed ourselves for optimum health. You know, this goes back to the OODA loop, where we get into a situation where we have a closed loop effect. We're getting the same information, we're making the same decisions, we're having the same outcomes, and those outcomes are always to lose weight by a diet plan, and then we gain that weight back, and then we have to go back on a diet plan, and this roller coaster ensues. And we never learn how to take care of our own health and how to lose weight on our own terms and in our own way that's permanent for our entire lives. Diet plans can also be quite expensive, and more expensive really than just purchasing the right foods that we need to be healthy and thus drive the weight loss that we really seek. And so later on in this course, we're going to be going over, how to manage the cost of healthier foods. One of the concepts that I'm going to go over in that course when we get there is that, sure, healthy organic grass-fed meats are cheaper than cheap factory farmed meats. Organic fruits and vegetables tend to be a little bit more expensive than cheap, genetically modified, conventionally grown vegetables. But is all of that more expensive than the cheap food plus diet plans? And so we're going to explore that in other videos, but just know in the concept for this video is that just by making some changes to the normal foods that we eat on a daily basis, we can eliminate the need to go on an expensive diet plan. It just isn't necessary. Diet plans are also temporary. We can't be on a diet all the time for the rest of our lives. It's just not sustainable. So diet plans in and of themselves are designed for you to lose weight. And once the goal is accomplished and you've gotten to the weight that you want, you're inevitably going to gain it back, and you're going to have to go back on the diet plan again. And so begins this cycle of ups and downs, losing weight and gaining it back. And that drives revenue and profit for the diet plan companies that know that you're going to have to come back to go back on the diet to lose the weight again, over and over and over again. Once again, just like we were talking about, this is a closed loop effect. So we continue to make the same decisions and go around and around and around. Diet plans are also hard on our emotions because when we go on a diet plan and then we cheat, we have a food that we're not supposed to have. We think that maybe we're not disciplined or we're not good enough to stay on our diet plan. And that's, in the derogatory things that we might tell ourselves in our minds is not fair, and it's not true. I mean, we're not undisciplined people. We're not unable to stay on our diet plan. But when you understand the fact that diet plans are just not sustainable, you just cannot expect that we're not going to step off the confines of the diet plan that we're on every now and again. It just isn't realistic. Again, very tough on our emotions. There's no reason to go through those ups and downs. Diet plans are also a blindfold to our personal empowerment. When we go on diet plans, we are outsourcing our health to this diet plan. And then if the diet plan doesn't work, we can blame the diet plan and then move on to another one. So it's kind of an out for our emotions. But along the way, we never learn how to handle our own health. We never learn how to lose weight on our own outside of the context of a diet plan. It keeps us in a closed loop, passive mindset state where we have to go back on a diet plan over and over and over again. So let me end with the way we started. Our ancestors did not need a diet plan, and I'm here to tell you right now that you don't need a diet plan either. What we need is to learn how to navigate the new world of food in the 21st century so that we can take control over our optimum health, lose weight, and get healthy permanently for the rest of our lives. The videos that are going to be coming up in this series are going to lay a new foundation for how to do that. And so that concludes our video on the modern diet plan. I'll see you at the next video.